G'day mateys, thanks for tuning in to Pirates and Teepees. Joshua Besnay here, and I'm going off-grid. And what off-grid setup would be complete without a handy-dandy fire pit? So this is my fire pit, my first fire pit here. That's going to be an area, we have been using it a little bit, but I put it over here so it's in front of my shed, so hopefully it'll direct some heat and light into there in the evenings. I've also got it up against the hillside because we found that that holds some heat in and blocks wind as well. So this will be like kind of a little hangout area. What I've used for my fire pit is I started with a motorcycle tire, the very, very bottom, way down there, that was filled with bottles inside the tire itself to take that space up. Then I put dirt in the middle and packed it out. And then I started building rocks up around the edges and packing dirt in as I went until I got to this level. This is the drum from a old washing machine, and I have a hole in the middle, so I put a pole here so that it can sit on the pole, still be easily moved for changing, but the fire pit cannot tip over now, which is crucial, especially when you're like putting the grill on to cook over it, which I have a grill so I can boil water and everything else on this, doing it for free. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. Maybe even like this video and perhaps share with your friends. Tell everyone about Pirates and Teepees. Ooh, let's see how this fire pit works. All right, so ancient technology meets modern technology. Now, there's an easy way to get a fire going. Also, a crucial thing, think ahead, put kindling underneath something dry, and then hit the subscribe button. Dry kindling. Yes, we have fire! Thanks so much for tuning in. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications in the future. Check out my Facebook page, Pirates and Teepees. Maybe even follow me on Twitter. Link is below in the description to this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, DIY or die, and have a piratical day.